In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to quickly find transactions, customers, vendors, and other details using both the basic search and the more powerful advanced search tools. Let's start with the basic search, which is usually the fastest way to find something. When you're in QuickBooks Online, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small magnifying glass icon. Go ahead and click that. This opens a search bar and a drop-down menu of your most recent activity. Now, place your cursor in the search bar and start typing what you're looking for. This could be a customer or vendor name, an amount, or even a keyword from a memo. As you type, QuickBooks automatically starts looking through your recent transactions. You should see suggestions appear underneath, updating in real time. This is especially handy if you're trying to quickly pull up a recent invoice or expense you were just working on. If the item you need doesn't appear in that initial list, don't worry. At the bottom of the pop-up menu, you'll see an option labeled either View More or Advanced Search, depending on your version. Click that link when the quick suggestions aren't enough or when you know you need to dig a little deeper into your records. This takes you into the Advanced Search, which gives you much more control over what you're looking for. You can also access this directly by clicking the magnifying glass icon in the top right and then selecting Advanced Search at the bottom of the pop-up window. In the Advanced Search screen, you'll see several filters you can use to narrow down your results. First, choose a transaction type, such as invoice, bill, or expense. This tells QuickBooks what kind of record you want to search. Next, you can filter by name. This is where you can specify whether it's a customer, vendor, or employee associated with that transaction. You can also search by amount by entering an exact dollar figure if you know it. If you only remember when something happened, use the date filters to set a specific date or a date range. Finally, there are additional fields where you can search by reference number or memo text, which is useful if you rely on detailed descriptions. Once you've set your filters, click the search button. QuickBooks will then display a list of matching results, making it much easier to pinpoint exactly what you need.